Gimamit nyakwara Gachagua ne it hema obongo nywaso kendo kelo bonjo elenda wang jal mawacho gore ite kore thuolo mar bonjo to mana gima sako it gi Walter Nyambaga.
Millie Mabona bad girl wachore ni unginyo somo chike moingo Kaluma.
I complete Honorable Kaluma and the speaker before you who are really boasting how they have done international law and dealt with ISIS. I can also boast that me and Honorable Karoli here were students of environmental law, but do I say, Mr. Speaker?
Kaluma, to into iwachiango.
I'm the first lawyer in this country to specialize in law of the sea. In fact, I assisted our Navy in delimiting our sea boundaries.
To evidence.
When Abu Rafruf was still the Navy commandant, so Honorable Millie should confine herself to environmental issues within the sea areas.
What's your point?
Not talking, not knowing. I'm a specialist in that area.
Wololo, Karoli Omondi, koso Kaluma wundo jodubura.
The Honorable Member for Homa Bay is actually misleading the House.
Yes.
The premier mind on law of the sea was the late Akicho Kola, Deputy Solicitor General, who attended all the negotiations until the law of the sea was signed in 1982.
Yes.
This is Akicho Kola. And the one speaking is the author of the National Environmental Management and Coordination Act. So stop misleading the House.
The Honorable Kaluma.
Kaluma, Jogi Yudi, Jitetea.
Honorable Speaker, Okola participated in coming up with the United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea. But at the very heart of that convention was Dr. Androniko Oduogo Adede from Kwabuaen, Homa Bay.
Oduogo Angoa.
Oduogo Adede was my master's lecturer when I was studying Law of the Sea. I think that is a point Honorable Karoli was forgetting.
Amilo.
Mr. Speaker, I have the floor. Mr. Speaker, I have the floor.
Jogi Mwonyogini, kapo kidogo e floor. Chikriane.
And I want to educate Honorable Kaluma and tell him that there's a reason that I'm a senior lawyer. The Honorable Dr. Andriko Dede that is so proudly talking about was my boss in Letwal International.
Speaker, Gini Pek Jowa, watema nekimani chungwa.
Give the mic to the majority leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I just want to inform the House that the Honorable Kaluma is from Homa Bay County. The Honorable Millie Odhiambo is from Homa Bay County. The Honorable Karoli Omondi is from Homa Bay County. And you can hear the debate is about the law of the sea, environmental law.
Okay, chungwa.
Therefore, the law of the sea, the law of the environment merge and converge. Whether they converge in Homa Bay or in the National Assembly, it's converging and we all move together. Happy.
To chairman budget to.
Chairman budget now is trying to purport to have a girlfriend from Homa Bay, especially Homa Bay town.
Oh, sawa. Sani koro wan kod kasinde mang'eny pachuka. Rigathi Gachagua. Hi.
Hi, cousins. Hi, cousins.
Hi, Kendo.
Hi, Makuzo. Hi, cousins.
Nona.
Nisalimia makasini wengine kule.
Bas. To Rigathi. Kasinde gin ngagine.
Sisi na Wakamba, Wataita, Wataveta, Mijikenda. We are one family. Sisi ni cousins.
To Tabitha wachiango.
Mtu ya kuota tama ameenda pale Makueni akaanza kusema kana kwamba ati sisi Wakamba na watu wa Mount Kenya ni cousins.
Ere diri marowach ni Tabitha.
Sasa Mount Kenya na Wakamba wamekuwa cousins saa ngapi? Nimwambie sisi na watu wa Mount Kenya, sisi ni in-laws.
Kendo.
Sisi ni in-laws.
Wewe si hata wewe uangalia wewe ni ulikuwa quarter term ama ulikuwa nini?
Eti quarter ngoa.
Wewe ni ulikuwa quarter term ama ulikuwa nini?
Nani akose base? Mimi nakaa kama mtu anaweza kosa base mimi.
Mago emasako it kod Walter Nyambaga.